Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to check your role on any Discord server. Right now, if you really want to join Discord and start to navigate it properly, I promise you I will be doing a lot of videos that will explain everything step by step and make it even more easier for you. Now once you enter your channel, your Discord server, just like this, and you will really want to know the role at which you are having, because mostly in Discord servers your interaction, your contributions is what keep you ahead of others. So how do you now check your role in any of these Discord server? So what you will do is you look for the general. There are some other ways which I will be covering in my next video, but now I want to show you the easiest way to check it, and I'm going to be doing this thing for 2 or 3 other servers just to tell you that it really works properly. Now what you will do is you look for the general. So this is now the general groups. So this is where you interact with others, ask questions and all of that. So I'll now click here and it will open. So what I will do is that I'm going to send message here, and let me say good afternoon farm. So once you send a message there, you can use your previous message, you can send a new message. What the essence of sending message here is just to show your name and your profile. So what I'll be doing, I'll be clicking on my profile right now, and when I tap on my profile, sorry, this is not my profile. When I tap on my profile here, it will load up. This is my profile now, and you can see role. So captcha verified. So the only role I'm having on this particular server now is just captcha verified role, right? Okay, let's go check for other server. So I'll be going for this one now. This is another server. This is the first one that we just did. So this is another server. I'll tap on this and it will open. This is now Nitro, right? So I've already verified here, so I don't need to verify again. I'll just look for the general chat. You see this one, this is general chat. So I'm going to tap here and I'll open it. So I'll just type a message just to make sure that my profile show. Let me say good afternoon farm. I'll send it, and the next thing I'll do, I'll just tap on my profile. So once I tap on my profile, it will load up and I will scroll down. Look at roles. So I have agent role here, I have verified role, I have engaged role, I have community event and developer update quest alert. So these are the roles that I have here. So this roles now is showing the what my task, what my activities has earned me in terms of positioning. Right now, let's go back again and test for. I will be using this one again. So the third one I will be using for the example is this one, and I will just tap on it and it has entered, which is the Billions Network, right? So this one now doesn't have general group, like the name is not general group, but this is human chat. So this human chat is more like general group, because you can see the name up here is community hub. So once I open it, so I'm gonna be dropping just a chat here in order for my profile just to pull up here. So I'll just say good afternoon farm. So as you can see, my profile is up here, and I can just easily a lot of messages entering here. I can just tap on my profile, boom, and you can see the roles I have here now is verified human, beta tester, meme master, content creator, competition, radar, reward, Billions AI, general chat. So these are all the roles I have on this particular one. So you see that roles differ from server to server, even though it's the same profile, but for each server they are rating you based on the role, the impact you've put in their particular role. So this is how you can actually check your roles. Stay tuned and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends so that they can learn. See you on the next one.